celebration of years. Tonight is a celebration of life. 80 years of love, 80 years of stories, 80 years of laughter, lessons, and legacy. This is the 80th birthday celebration of Mrs. Evangeline Montede. How about let's begin the celebration with a big round of applause. Ang di mong pakpak, dili makakaon. So pakpak tanan. Ayan. She's just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She is living in the world and it's on fire. Filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got my feet on the ground and she's back and down. Oh, she got her head on the clouds, but she's not burning down. Now this time, ladies and gentlemen, I want your participation. Kamu ang mukanta sa line ng fire. Okay? Kaya ba? Fire? Sige, in 3, 2, go! This girl is on... Taysa, di kita mo continue ron kung di mo makantang tanan. Again, this girl is on... Kusga, oy, kusga! Again, hinay na kaayo. Abi na lang di mga singer ni ang pamilya ni Mrs. Evangeline. Last one, 4, 3, 2, go! This girl is on... This girl is on... She's walking on... This girl is on... Ay, laisyo na yan. Pak, everyone! Yeah! Once again, mayong gabi ka natong tanan and welcome to the birthday celebration of Mrs. Evangeline. Now, at this moment, on behalf of the family, I would like to say, daghan kayong salamat for coming in. Kay bangko ang uban, layo kayong gibiyahian, ni absent sa ilang tagsa-tagsa trabaho or sa ilang eskwela, just to be with us karong gabi una, daghan kayong salamat!